What is approximation for circle area in geometry? Imagine trying to measure the size of a round cake without cutting it into pieces. You want to find out how much space it covers on the plate. That's where the idea of approximating the area of a circle comes in. In math, we have a special formula for the exact area of a circle, which is the distance around the circle called the circumference times the radius squared, all divided by 2. But sometimes, especially in real life, we use estimates to get close enough. This is called approximation. The exact formula for the area of a circle uses a number called pi, which is about 3.14, or sometimes written as the fraction 22/7. Pi is special because it is an irrational number, meaning it cannot be written as a simple fraction or a finite decimal. Because of this, when we want to find the area, we replace pi with 3.14 or 22/7 to make calculations easier. For example, if the radius of your circle is 5 units, the exact area is pi times 5 squared, which is 25 pi. To approximate, you multiply 25 by 3.14, giving you about 78.5 square units. Another way to think about approximation is by dividing the circle into many small triangles. Imagine slicing a pizza into tiny slices, each shaped like a triangle with the tip at the center. As you increase the number of slices, their total area gets closer to the real area of the whole pizza. If you take the length of the outer edge, called the perimeter or circumference, and multiply it by the radius, then divide by 2, you get a close estimate of the circle's area. This method shows how, with enough slices, the approximate calculation becomes the exact one. In everyday life, using 3.14 or 22/7 pi is good enough for most tasks. Whether you are building something, working on a craft project, or just curious about the size of a round object, these approximations help you get a quick answer. If you need more precision, your calculator can give you a more accurate decimal value for pi. So, to sum up, the approximation for the area of a circle involves replacing pi with a rounded number like 3.14 or 22/7. You can visualize this by dividing the circle into many small triangles, which helps understand how the approximation approaches the true area as the number of slices increases. Most of the time, these simple estimates are enough to do the job in real-world situations, making geometry practical and easy to work with.